A very warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to tell you a tremendous love spell that is work in couple of seconds and attract your lover towards you instant. This love spell is very easy because I got many calls and messages for this love spell. On viewers' demand, I made this particular love spell. This spell is very easy. This spell is Miss Me love spell. There are couple of restrictions for this love spell. First of all, this love spell is for 18 plus adults love spell. If you are 18 plus, then you have to write you can do this love spell. If you are not than 18 plus or your age is plus than 18, please don't use this love spell. Another is you should be alone for this love spell because no one should with you to do this love spell. So I'm going to tell you the technique, the process, how you can do this love spell, and with that your lover would come back in your life. You have to know the name, age and the country of the lover or your crush. First of all, you have to write here the name of spell, that is Miss Me. Miss Me love spell. This spell is Miss Me love spell. That is very easy love spell. You have to write couple of words in this spell. You have to write your message to your lover. First of all, you have to write your name. For example, you have to write I, John, from US. I want to do this spell to my lover. After that, what you have to write here that I want this spell to my lover. Then you have to write John to Lisa. For example, your name is John and your girlfriend, your crush, your lover name is Lisa. You have to write John to Lisa. What you have to do right after that, you have to write I miss you, Lisa. Please come back to my life. And then you have to fold these papers towards you like this. After that you have to close your eyes and say, I miss you, Lisa. Please start missing me. And you have to take a deep breath, and then you say, this spell is working. This word you have to say, this spell is working, and you are starting to missing me, missing me, missing me. After that you don't have to open your eyes. You have to put this paper into your pocket directly, and you have to keep this paper with you for 1 hour. After that 1 hour, 5 to 6 minutes after 1 hour, the person would try to miss you, would try to contact you. If you are facing any kind of problem, you can call us on our number directly. Please like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more updates like this. Thanks for watching our video. See you soon. Bye bye.